Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, where we showcase the world's most unique and inspiring homes. Today, we're taking you on a full Airbnb tour of Shipping Container Home on the Lava, a breathtaking getaway that comfortably fits four and offers front-row views of the Pacific Ocean. From the minimalist design to the surreal volcanic landscape, this container home is a one-of-a-kind escape you won't want to miss. Let's step inside and experience this OceanView oasis, right here on Alvinsa Studio. Beautiful bedroom, one bath, eco-friendly, off-grid home built on an old lava flow out of 3-40 cargo containers. But once you step in this home, you will have no idea you were inside former containers. It was built with quality and function in mind. There are 3 large sliding glass doors with views of the ocean and old lava landscape. This house has large windows to view Kilauea volcano. The entire building consists of 2 houses. The other is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, which is also available for rent. Total about 12 adult guests. This beautiful shipping container home was built on an old lava flow. It has clear ocean views, an expansive view of Kilauea volcano out the back. It's eco-friendly in so many ways: off-grid utilities, solar power and UV filtered water catchment, surrounded by amazing lava landscape, awe-inspiring night sky filled with more stars than you have ever seen before. You will also enjoy the incredible ocean breeze that refreshes and cools you day and night. The home possesses so many cool features. The first wonderful piece of furniture is the highly functional sofa that not only lifts up to provide storage, but it also converts to a full-size bed. You will also be drawn to the exquisite mango wood that was used for the countertops in the kitchen and bath. Once you see the pebble stone-floored bathroom, you will again be amazed at the size. Inside, you find a one-of-a-kind, petrified wood vessel sink sitting on a great piece of mango with mango wood-bordered mirror. As you will see in the photos, you get to enjoy a rain shower in the large shower enclosure. Then climb on the comfy mattresses on the bunk bed that was custom-made by a local Hawaiian. You will find this home was built in such a unique and quiet place you might not want to leave. You have complete private access to this 1-bedroom, 1-bath home. The building is actually comprised of 2 homes. The other is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home which can also be rented. Please see other listing for more photos and details, so I can provide housing for up to 12 adults. God has blessed me with this place so I can share it with others. Whether you are looking to be a tourist and see all the amazing sights or to just be at peace with yourself and nature, this is the place for you. There are no coqui frogs to keep you awake at night here. And that concludes our tour of the shipping container home on the lava. A truly unforgettable Airbnb escape with epic ocean views and space for up to 4 guests. If this one-of-a-kind stay inspired your next adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more amazing homes from around the world. Only on Alvinsa Studio. Know someone who would love a getaway like this? Share this video and bring the beauty of container living to others. Thanks for watching. This is Alvinsa Studio, where unique homes meet unforgettable stories.